Hey guys, welcome back to my wonderful channel. It's your girl Joy, aka Miss Jovou. If you're new to my channel, you're welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back to another video. So guys, today's video, according to the title, is my updated wash and go routine. So these are the products I'm going to use. Stay tuned for my shower routine. You can see the way my hair is not just looking nice at this moment, but we're going to sort that out. So I just want to pack my hair and do the things I need to do, you know, just smell fresh. Now it's time for our hair. So I'm going to go in with this shampoo. This is very good. First thing I do, I just wet my hair and then I apply it on my hair. Be gentle with your hair. So once I get my hair wet, I'll go in with the shampoo and I'm going to apply this all over my hair, and I'm just going to be washing my scalp. Be gentle. Don't just wash your hair anyhow. If you treat your hair anyhow, your hair is going to treat you anyhow. So just be gentle, just use your finger and just act like you're massaging. You can see what I'm doing. So that's the way I wash my hair. You just be gentle, you the back, front, pack it, just use your finger, just give yourself a head massage. That's the way I see it. Sometimes washing my hair for me is like a therapy, like I'm just relaxing, I'm just in my space. So I'm also going to use my fingers to detangle my hair. Just wash it and detangle. Once that is done, I'm going to rinse it out. I just on my shower and you can see I'm rinsing it out. Just wash it out. You can see my hair is not that dirty, but it's been a while. I haven't washed my hair for like a week or 2 weeks now. I haven't, so I thought I should give my hair a proper wash and go. Just want to look good, and I want it to be healthy, hydrated, moist, and you know, shine. So that is done. Quick update, I got my JHERI Curl done for the second time on the 15th of April 2021. So my hair is approximately 1 month and a week since I got my JHERI Curl done, and the coils are still popping. Everything is good, but I can actually feel on the growth, but it's not much. My hair is still looking yummy and good. Even at the back you can see it looks all good, so there's nothing much. Next step, I'm going in with this conditioner. It's a leave-in conditioner. It moisturizes, hydrates the hair. So I'm just going to apply a little on my hair. And there's something I noticed when I applied this. Once I just applied it, my coils began to pop. You can see. Just felt like I applied a coil activator on my hair. It's looking all good. Coils are beginning to like pop, look more defined and stuff like that, so it's good. This time my hair doesn't feel soft. It doesn't make my hair soft. It doesn't. Unlike when I use a Glister Hair Wonder product, immediately I just apply the shampoo, my hair becomes very soft. And like I told you guys, I naturally have soft hair. So if you haven't watched my other wash and go routines, then be sure to go check it out. The playlist will be in the archives and also going to be in my description as well. So check my hair update, JHERI Curl hair update. So once that is done, I'm going to rinse it out. So guys, that's done. You can see how my hair is looking yummy. Looks so good, and the coils are popping. They are popping. My hair just looks good, healthy and strong. It doesn't feel soft to me. You're just looking okay. So yeah, like I said earlier, my hair felt like a little bit of undergrowth, but not much. That's a sign my hair is growing. So JHERI Curl grows hair. As someone has asked me that question, does JHERI Curl grow hair? Yes, it does. Like for me, my hair has grown. My hair wasn't this long, but it has grown. So I'm just working on my edges just to get my edges back. Like you guys can see, my edges looking a bit scanty, but it's all good. It's all good. We're working on that. Now I'm going to dry my hair and we're done. Those are the little products. I'm just going to shampoo my hair and condition my hair and I'm good to go. See the way my hair is. I'm going in with the aloe vera floating gel. This is a cup. It's in a cup form, but you guys know I have another one which is like in an aloe vera shape, something like that. It's green. I'm going to show you guys. They are the same thing. It's just if someone wants to buy this one, you can apply it on your skin. That's the cup. You can apply it on your skin just to like if you want to clear some stuff, but I love applying it on my hair. It's very, very good for my hair. Like, yeah. So you guys can see they are the same thing, just aloe vera. This aloe vera soothing gel, that's also aloe vera. So I'm going to apply this on my hair because I just want my hair to just feel good. And yeah, just have some food to eat. Like I told you guys, you need to give your hair food to eat so that it's going to survive, it's going to grow, it's going to be the best, you get. So guys, this is a shea butter cream for hair. I bought this in 2020 and I've used it for like 3 times. So I saw it in my bathroom. I was like, oh my goodness, I'm going to use this in this video. So this is very, very good. It really helps the hair. Shea butter is good for hair, it's good for skin, but this is specifically for your hair. So I'm just going to apply it on my hair. The next thing I'm going to use this cream. I use it for my coily wigs. I thought I should use this for my hair since my hair is also coily and it's very, very good. It has very good scent. So I'm just going to massage it, just apply it on my hair properly. Once that is done, I'm going to go with my comb. This is one of my favorite comb for my hair. Just comb my hair out, just comb it in so that all the things I've applied on my hair is going to get in there. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. So I don't really intend leaving my hair down. I just want to pack it into a small ponytail like you guys can see. So I'm just going to pack my hair, put rubber bands, and I'm good to go. I don't want any special style. I just want to look simple because I'm not going anywhere. I'm just going to work. Like you can see, my laptop is, so I have some things I was working on. I thought, okay, probably I should just record this wash and go because it's been a while. I haven't given an updated wash and go routine since I got my JHERI Curl done for the second time. So you guys can see, just simple. I just look simple. The coils are still popping. They're not going nowhere. They are still there. Once that is done, I'll go in oil for my hair and skin. This is organic. I made it myself. If you want something like this, then send me a DM. If you have my social media on the screen, it's very good for hair, good for hair loss. Carrots is very good. It's good for hair. It's good for skin, hair breakage, and all of that. This is my avocado oil. I use it for hair breakage and stuff. I'm not experiencing any of that because I just love giving my hair food. My hair is just good with oil, so I just give my hair oil, give it food to eat. So yeah, I use avocado oil, I use carrot oil. I'm also going to show you guys another oil that I'm going to use. This is the Rosemary Essential Oil. It's very, very good for hair, so I'm going to apply it on my edges. Like I told you guys, I'm working on my edges. If I can get my edges back, then I'm good to go. You can see my edges are a little bit thin. I don't know what's happening, but just thin. Normally I don't think I have much hair, but the one I have, I still want it to look good. I still want to look healthy. Rosemary oil smells so good. It's an essential oil. It's good for skin, it's good for hair, so I'm just going to apply it on my edges. You can see, and I'm going to massage it in. I just want my edges back, even if it's just little. Let it just come back and cover those gaps there. So I'm going to apply it all over my hair, back of my hair, front of my hair, and yeah, that's it. Those are the oils I apply on my hair. I don't miss it. And I also go in with coconut oil. I go in with olive oil. Like I said, my hair is good with oil, so I just do that. I just give it food, and yeah, that's it. You can see how my skin is glowing. So guys, just stay tuned for my shower routine. I'm going to show you guys how I shower, how I look good and smell fresh and keep my skin all moist and hydrated and yummy. Even without ring lights under the sun, I still look good. My skin shines. So if you want any of my organic skincare products, hair products, then be sure to send me a DM via my social medias on the screen to purchase yours. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, share to your family and friends, because you don't know who needs this, honey. You don't know who needs it. Share to your family and friends. Drop a comment down if this video is helpful. Subscribe, turn your post notification on so you don't miss any of my videos. Thanks so much for watching, and I will definitely see you guys in my next video. Bye.